2026 QJMotor SVT 650X, the budget adventure bike that changes everything. For years, adventure riders believed one thing. If you wanted a capable touring machine loaded with technology, comfort, and reliability, you had to spend serious money. But now, a new challenger has arrived to completely disrupt that idea. The 2026 QJMotor SVT 650 and SVT 650X. And honestly, this bike feels like a wake-up call for the entire middleweight adventure segment. Because for under 6,000 pounds, QJMotor is offering something that sounds almost too good to be true. A fully equipped V-twin adventure bike with luggage, heated grips, heated seat, Brembo brakes, adjustable suspension, TFT display, tire pressure monitoring, traction control, ABS, Bluetooth connectivity, and even tubeless spoked wheels on the X model. That's not a stripped-down budget machine. That's a full-blown touring package. And the biggest surprise? It actually feels far better than anyone expected. The 2026 QJMotor SVT 650R is powered by a 645cc V-twin engine, producing around 75 horsepower and 65 newton-meters of torque. And if those numbers sound familiar, there's a reason why. The bore and stroke are remarkably similar to the legendary Suzuki SV650 and V-Strom 650 platform, bikes that earned a reputation for bulletproof reliability and everyday usability. So immediately, there's a sense of familiarity here. The power delivery is smooth, predictable, and easy to manage. It's not an aggressive, high-revving adventure bike trying to dominate mountain roads. Instead, it focuses on comfort, practicality, and real-world touring ability. This is the kind of motorcycle designed to carry luggage, cruise long distances, and make everyday riding effortless. Out on the road, the first thing you notice is the comfort. The suspension setup leans toward the softer side, but that actually works in the bike's favor. It absorbs bumps well, keeps the ride plush, and suits the touring character perfectly. The bike feels stable and planted, especially on longer roads and motorway stretches. Yes, there's weight. At around 236 kilograms, the SVT 650 isn't exactly lightweight. And once you add the panniers and top box, you definitely feel the mass during quick direction changes or heavy braking. But despite that, the chassis manages the weight surprisingly well. It never feels uncontrollable or intimidating. And considering the price point, the refinement level is genuinely impressive. This is where QJMotor really starts to shock people. In the past, budget motorcycles often came with unknown brake brands, questionable tires, and suspension components nobody recognized. But the SVT 650 Pro changes that formula completely. You get Brembo brakes, recognizable tire brands, and Marzocchi suspension components, names riders already trust. That instantly gives the bike more credibility. The braking performance feels solid and predictable, while the electronics package, although fairly basic, does its job well. The ABS and traction control systems aren't overly intrusive, but they provide reassurance when conditions get slippery. Then there's the technology. The TFT dash is clear, modern, and extremely informative. Not only does it display the usual ride information, but it also actively monitors tire pressure and tire temperature in real time, something you rarely see even on far more expensive motorcycles. The switchgear is backlit, the screen is adjustable, Bluetooth connectivity is included, and everything feels designed with touring practicality in mind. Of course, there are still a few reminders that this is a budget-focused motorcycle. Some of the plastics and switchgear don't quite match the refinement levels of premium Japanese or European brands. A few details around the exhaust and finishing touches reveal where costs have been controlled. And when you compare outright performance, the SVT 650 doesn't have the explosive punch or sharp responsiveness of bikes like the Suzuki V-Strom 800 or Honda Transalp. But here's the important part. Those motorcycles cost significantly more money. And that's exactly why the QJMotor SVT 650E becomes such an interesting machine. It's not trying to beat premium adventure bikes at everything. It's trying to offer maximum value for riders who simply want a comfortable, practical, well-equipped touring motorcycle without spending a fortune. And in that mission, it absolutely succeeds. In many ways, this bike feels like the spiritual successor to older middleweight adventure bikes, machines that focused more on usability than flashy performance numbers. It captures that same honest, dependable personality that made motorcycles like the V-Strom 650 so popular for years. This is the kind of bike you can ride every single day. Commute during the week, tour on the weekends, load up luggage, ride through winter, cover huge distances comfortably, and do it all without worrying about massive monthly payments or premium brand pricing. That's what makes the SVT 650 genuinely important, because it shows just how far Chinese motorcycle manufacturers have evolved. This no longer feels like a cheap imitation sitting miles behind the Japanese and European competition. Instead, QJMotor feels like a manufacturer rapidly closing the gap, delivering real-world quality, recognizable components, modern technology, and strong value in a package that makes financial sense for everyday riders. The 2026 QJMotor SVT 650 and SVT 650X may not be the fastest adventure bikes on the market. They may not be the most refined, and they may not dominate spec sheet wars against premium rivals. But as an affordable, fully equipped, practical adventure touring machine, this could easily become one of the biggest surprise motorcycles of the year. Because sometimes, the smartest motorcycle isn't the most powerful one. It's the one that gives riders everything they actually need, at a price they never thought possible.